Hello guys, today new video for new coins. Also there is other coins will be in description. This is for Yescoin mining. This is new coin. It's not the Yescoin White. There is another Yescoin. It's 100% legit. Listen carefully and how it's work in this bot. Let's go to our bot. We'll see how it's work. When you click in the link in the description, you will see like that. This is the bot of Yescoin. It's will be connected to your wallet. I will show you how. You click join. Like you see, you will get 100,000 coin for free. Like you see, play session. Like you see, this is our bot. How to work? It's very simple. It's not clicking, it's swiping right and left like that. You swipe like that. It's not clicking. If we click, it don't give you coins. We swap like that, left and right like that, and we collect coins. Like you see, this is how it's work this coin. There is a mission. We click earn. If we return, must return. In this phase, sometimes appear like that. It will gives you a huge number of coin. We go to earn. There is many tasks to collect many coins. Like you see. Join channels, connect wallet. There is connect wallet. You click connect wallet. You you can choose your Telegram wallet or any other wallet that you have, Tron Keeper or Tron Heap, as you wish. You connect your wallet first. You'll get 500,000 coin. You join Telegram for 1,000 coin. There is many coin. You can get over 2 million here. You do this for you and connect wallet. Don't forget to connect your wallet first. After that, you go to boost. I will show you my principal account. Like you see, you can buy Yescoin pack. This is an auto bot for 500,000 coin. You can upgrade your multi-value coin for 200, like you see, like that. You upgrade all of these after collecting a huge number of coin. After that, you can get this robot to collect for you for every level. It have for 1 hour, 2 hour, to 6 hour, to 24 hour. When you collect 1 million, you can buy a huge number of Autobot collecting. Here you can do 3 times a day full energy like that, and you collect like that. You swap, just you swap. This is how it's work. This is how it's work. Also, there is a chest. You have 3 times a day. It will appear a chest here. You click in the chest, like you see. It will collect for you a huge number, like that, for some seconds. Like that, you just swap. For first time, you work with your hand in the bot. After that, after collecting 1 million or 2 million, you click in boost and buy your yes pack here to do the mission for you. Let's go to our principal account to show you how it's work. I will show you how it's work. Also, there is a bot of Oxygene in description. It will be for every hour you collect. For every hour, it's a new project and also a trusted project. Like you see, this is my account. Like you see, this is the Autobot. It's working. I buy one. Like you see, I do all the mission. Like you see, this is my auto bot. If you go to boost, you will see I have yes pack must have 2 million if level up. For level 3 extend the reward for those 12 hours. Like you see, I must have 2 million. It worked for me to collect 2 million. For this it's every 2 hours. I must collect every 2 hours coins. This is how it's work. This bot is 100% good bot. You must don't forget, you must connect your wallet here. You click in earn, you connect your wallet. This is how it's work. Let's go to Oxygene miner. You will find the link in description. Also of Roket bot and Tron bot. It mine free Tron for you. Also Shiba Inu coin, like you see. We click in collect. Every 1 hour you collect, just you collect. It's for Matic coin. When it released, it will be converted to Matic, like you see here in wallet. It will be to Matic. Here booster, you collect coins every hour. After that you buy a power, you upgrade your power. I must have 3,600 oxygen to get 600 every hour, like you see. All link could be description. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.